saludo, mi nombre es Moisés David Payares González. Esta es mi identificación. The method I choose is market approach. This method involves analyzing market data for comparable companies to determine the fair market value of the company in question. Market data includes stock price, market multiples, and financial ratios of comparable companies in the same industry as the subject company. The market approach method assumes that the market is efficient and that the value of a company is reflected in the stock price. Related process and mathematical formula. Logistics regression analysis is the technique for studying the relationship between one or more independent variables x1, x2, x3, xn and a dichotomous dependent variable. A dichotomous variable is defined as one that only admits two categories that define mutually exclusive for opposite option or characteristics such as y yes, y no, y zero, y one, y on, and y off. A logistic regression model allows to estimate for practice the probability that an individual has such characteristics, while record while offer based on one or more individual characteristics: x1 unit price, x2 age, x3 area, xn. The fundamental difference between the linear regression model and logistic regression is that the first predicts to average value of the dependent variables from one or more independent variables x1, x2, x3, or xn, while the second allows the predict to proportion one of the two categories of the dichotomous dependent variable y yes, y no, based on one or more dependent variables x1, x2, x3, xn. Probability by definition can only include a value between 0 and 1. Therefore, a mathematical model must be developed that can estimate values of p y equal 1 within the real range of 0 to 1. The mathematical model that best estimates such probability because it restricts the values to its range 0 p1. How can companies create value through innovation? Companies are more successful than others when they harness the power of innovation. Research has shown that successful innovative companies achieve on average 2.5 times more sales of new products and obtain a return 10 times higher on their investment in innovation than those with the worst performance. Innovation is not about how much is spent, but about why and how it is spent. The keys to innovation must be taken into account. The ability to develop and exploit opportunities and ideas associated with is an essential aspect. We constantly make efforts to learn, but we do little to unlearn, to question our habit for partners, exposing ourselves in a controlled way to risks derived from experimentation, which is essential to be able to innovate. Well, thank you very much for your attention.